everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an incredible and super easy recipe, vegan milk powder sweet treats. But before we dive in, let's talk a bit about vegan milk powder. You can find some brands of vegan milk powder in specialty stores, but in case it's hard to come by in your area, I've left a link in the pinned comment below where you can watch how to make your own homemade vegan milk powder. Alright, now that we've covered the golden ingredient of our sweet treat, let's see what else you'll need to make this delightful treat. The preparation is super simple. Start by mixing the milk powder with the sugar in a bowl. Gradually add spoonfuls of coconut milk while mixing thoroughly. Stop adding coconut milk when you achieve a firm dough that doesn't stick to your hands. If you accidentally add too much coconut milk, simply sprinkle in more milk powder to get back to the right consistency. It's super easy. Now, shape the vegan milk powder candies by rolling them into little balls with your hands. Once you have your little balls ready, roll them in milk powder or sugar, and then top each one with a clove. Store the candies in the refrigerator to enhance the flavor and maintain the perfect texture. You can keep these goodies for approximately 1 week. And there you have it. You've got a delicious, easy-to-make sweet treat that requires no fancy equipment and is perfect for teaching kids how to make a vegan delight. Did you like this recipe? Well, show your love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, sharing this recipe with everyone who needs to know about it, and commenting down below what you think. Sending you a big kiss from Julie, and until next time.